What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Mediocre Trader here. And in this video, we're going to talk AMC weekly technical analysis, just like we do every week. But I just wanted to apologize to all of you for not getting the video out sooner. Very busy week and weekend, birthday parties and stuff like that. So, let's get right into the video here. As you can see, right up here, we got our AMC chart, and let's talk about it. So, I know you can see my channel right here in the background. Let me pop this up to full screen here. Before we get into this video, please read the disclaimer here. I just want to let you all know this is not financial advice. This is my opinion. And with that, let's get right into some charting. Robinhood. We'll start here. As you can see, I'm going to get in here real quick. Help you guys out. As you can see here on today, I'll move over here. Today, AMC ran up and the market is closed, and it closed over here at 4:53 in the after hour. Okay, that's where we're at right now. As far as Robinhood in the after hours, we had this run up here, so we'll see what happens in the AM tomorrow. But with that, let's get into AMC. Let's talk about it. Here we have our channel. As you can see, we bounced here. This is the daily time frame, as you can see up here, daily. So this week we bounced up. We ran up. We ran up to the Bollinger Band, kind of rejected, pushed back down. We're sitting on top of the VWAP here on the daily. And so, with that said, this week, by the way, let me just say happy Thanksgiving to all of you. This week, my opinion, volume will be somewhat low. We did get box office numbers in tonight. They look pretty good. So I think this week's volume will most likely be low because of the holiday week. That doesn't mean it's going to happen. That's just my opinion. But what I will say, though, is people are going to be off Black Friday, the day after Thanksgiving, and that's going to be a long weekend for them. And a lot of people go to the movies. And so I think that this weekend coming up, Black Friday weekend, could be a big weekend for box office. So if you're going to go to the movies, do me a favor, buy some popcorn, buy some soda. Let's get it done. Let's help pad the balance sheet, and let's get back to charting here. But we'll go over to the 4-hour chart because that's where I like to do a lot of my due diligence. And we'll spread this out and we'll talk more. Okay. As you can see, we had the run up all week and we got above my channel here, rejected, pushed back down Friday for close, and then after hours we pumped back up. So I think we could slowly come back down this week, somewhere around 436 or so. We're at 440 here. Yeah, we'll probably be somewhere around here by Friday, maybe. And next week we could get a run up, bust out of this channel probably. I don't know. Those are my thoughts on what could transpire. Doesn't mean it's going to. Like I said, this is not financial advice. It's just my opinion. And so with that said, you all know I'm waiting on an entry. I'm waiting for the Go Plan events to kind of take place before I get back in. And but I'm going to continue to do technical analysis and follow what is going on so I don't miss a move when need be. And that's really all that I have for this video. I just wanted to say happy Thanksgiving. Sorry I wasn't really around this weekend. Do a couple videos for you guys. I had birthday parties and other things. That's really all I got. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.